The Horus Name, the first and oldest of the 5 titles. During archaic period, Horus was the principal god in Egypt, and the king ruled in his name. The iconography of this title is represented by 2 main elements. The falcon god perching on a rectangular shape that represents the palace's facade, known in ancient Egyptian as Serekh. So when the name of the king is written or carved in the middle, that confirms that the god is high in the sky and the king is his shadow on earth. And the king has full control from his palace on the earthly realm. The pharaohs of the first 3 dynasties are mostly known by their Horus name, but by the 4th and the 5th dynasties, the Horus name lost its importance, and the pharaoh became mostly known by his throne name or his birth name.